Guys, it's Firefly here, and today I will be unboxing, well, not unboxing, kind of like just showing my new survival kit that I prepared. I'll just take these out. These aren't really part of it, I just stuck them in there. Oop, sorry. Got the camera at a weird angle. Okay, let's dive into it. First up, oh shit. Why are you tipping? What the fuck? Okay, let's just make sure that doesn't fall over. Rechargeable flashlight, as you can see. It's got an alarm. You can't really see it that well. Focus. Got a reset button, a scan button for radio. Yep, got the radio dial here. Headphone jack and some sort of other jack, not quite sure. And rechargeable pack right here. And it's got, can't really see it that well. It's got two different settings. See? And then single. So there's that. And of course, can't be a survival kit without one of these. So yeah, there's that. And got some hot chocolate mix, you know, for anyone with a sweet tooth. And we got some packed Oreos here. Again, you know, sweet tooth people. Gotta have your sweets. Am I right? And let's see, for drinks, we got some on-the-go Tang, some Crystal Light lemonades, 2 packages, some nifty stuff, and some more Coco Amore. I'm probably butchering that, I'm sorry. Again, that's like for, you know, just in case. And a compass. It's pretty busted. But you see it works. And got some more lemonade. And got some cough and throat relief, you know, if you got some sore throats and shit. And yeah, come on, pick up. Got some dark roast Nescafe Classico. Some instant coffee. I actually might hold on to that. And got some water bottles and stuff. I'm gonna put that back in there so the damn thing don't tip over on me. Yeah, I'm actually gonna put some few things back in here so that fucker doesn't tip over. Be a mess to clean up. And for the kids, if you have any kids in your group, what kid doesn't want to play with poppers? Keeps the kids distracted while the adults work. Always good to have those on hand. So, anyways, let's put all this stuff back here. Fuck, I'm knocking shit over already. God damn it, I knew I would. Okay. It's probably not how it went, not how I took it out, but yeah. And, well, anyway, guys, that was my on-the-go, like, throw in your vehicle survival kit. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. And if you did, please comment down below like what you want to see next. Smash that like button. And please do press that subscribe button. That will help me get the channel out there and get it noticed so I can get some more of these videos that you guys like up there so you guys can see them. And by all means, share these videos with your friends. And if you would, by all means do that. That would help my channel a lot. And I'll see all you dudes on our next episode.